Hey guys, here's a tutorial about how to actually sign up for this cloud token. You're going to go right here to cloudtokenwallet.com, and you want to make sure that you pick on the bottom. It's going to have Chinese defaulted to. You're going to want to move it over to English, obviously, if that's what you speak. And then you can pick on iOS download or Android download, depending on what type of phone you have, because this is all mobile based. Okay, it's going to pop up this download. It's always going to say this type of file may harm your device, but as long as you're actually on cloudtokenwallet.com, you can hit OK and it's fine. Then they'll see cloudtoken.apk. You hit open and it'll start to download. Okay, you're going to want to give it some time to download, and then you'll see it open up. I'll take you to the next step. Okay, if you do have any problems with that, if it doesn't get to this screen where it's actually opening and asking you to allow the install, you're going to want to just go to the top of any of the web pages on your phone, and you're going to see the little three dots on the right hand side, normally on the top, and you're going to want to make sure you open the page as an actual Chrome site, because I had a problem with that. You want to make sure that it's actually opened in Chrome if you're not getting any of these pop-ups, which I was not originally when I was trying to download it. So just a step, just in case you've run into the same problems. Okay, and then you're going to come out. It's going to go into the actual site itself. And this is what the site opens, or the app opens up when it logs in. And you're going to want to obviously create an account because you don't have one currently. If you already had one, then you would just log in on this page here on your phone. And just walk you through step by step. You're going to need your referral code. It'll be in the description of the video. Make sure that you have that in. You can't actually sign up for Cloud Token without a referral code. It is 10 digits, so make sure you get that out of the description and type that in here. Okay, it's going to come up into here. It's going to ask you to create a 6-digit PIN. This is super important. Make sure that whatever you pick here, you would write it down, you memorize it, and you do not lose this, because you're going to need this to access your account. And as far as I know, there's no way to get into your account without it. So make sure it's something that you can remember, or if it's something random, you can write it down and keep it in a safe place like a safe or a lockbox. Don't keep this on your computer, obviously, in case if your computer is ever compromised, that they can't get in your account by pulling up a screenshot or something like that. Okay, this is the page where you're going to need this login ID and this PIN. Again, whatever you picked here is going to be your own different thing. Make sure you write this down on a piece of paper, but somewhere that you're going to save it for the future forever. You could take a screenshot on the phone, but I really don't recommend that, because that's going to leave an imprint on your device. So if anything ever happens where your device is compromised and people are going through your images, they're going to basically have your private key here to be able to log into your site. So even if you do a screenshot and delete it, I still think there is some type of image that can be pulled up. So I really don't recommend it. Just keep it totally offline. Just write this down, and just keep it in a safe place wherever you keep your normal private keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to get into the actual site itself. So you're going to be able to see all the 5 different coins that they have currently, and there is more coming through very recently in another upgrade that's coming. They're going to have, I believe it's 100 coins or possibly more, depending on what they end up with. But this is what you're going to see currently right now if you're watching this video pretty soon after I did this video and uploaded it. Okay, so you have your CTO, which is what you're going to get paid in if you are actually using the Cloud Token wallet, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and TrueUSD, and USD Tether. Okay, here's all your information. You have all your menus here. Just in case you screwed up and you didn't pick English and it shows all in Chinese here, you're not going to be able to see these, obviously. They're going to be unreadable to you, but just make sure you pick the second one up, Settings. And if you click on that, then you can change the bottom level here. Just click that, and it'll say it's only English or Chinese. So if you can make it that far, just hit that one up, the bottom one, and switch it over to English, which you'll be able to read, and then that should reset your reset your program to list in English so you could read it. Some of the stuff up at top is always in Chinese, so that's not going to change, but at least you'll be able to read all of this, all of the actual menu options and your wallet address, your wallet totals. Alright, so that gives you a basic understanding of how to actually download the Cloud Token wallet, and the next video I'll do is basically how to actually deposit cryptocurrencies into here and become part of the actual payment program for Cloud Token. So as long as you put, they recommend minimum is 500, but you need a minimum of 500, so I usually would recommend people to do at least 600 or more to make sure that you never fall below the minimum amount, so that you don't miss out on any CTO payments. So you're going to be able to, as they say in a lot of the other information out there, they're going to be paying 8 to 12% per month in CTO, which is right now at 30 cents. From everything that's coming out online and everyone's talking about it, if it follows even half as good as some of the other similar but definitely different programs, 30 cents should be a long thing of the past once it starts, and it should get, if everything goes as the other programs have gone, it should be much higher and give multiples of return. But nothing obviously is guaranteed, but that's where everyone is kind of feeling about this program, and that's why I wanted to really bring it to you guys as early as possible so you guys can all take advantage at the low prices of CTO right now. So follow this guideline video to be able to open up your own Cloud Token wallet, and I'll show you next videos and future videos on how to actually use it. Okay, I really appreciate you watching the video. If you have any questions, just please go ahead and leave a comment below, or you can email me directly, donkeat, DONKEAT, @gmail.com, and I will help you guys out any way that I can. I'm still learning about this myself. I'm brand new to it as well, so we'll learn about this one together. But I am definitely going to be a user in this one, and I'm super excited about it. So check it out. Any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.